This intelligent workstation can realize fully automatic fit-up, tack welding, root welding, fill and cap welding for TIG, GTAW butter welding, and fillet welding for full intelligent pipe fabrication production line. With laser 3D vision technology and special design fittings module, which developed by QSPT, scan 4 to 36 point position on both pipe and end fittings. Quick and accurate realize automatic fit-up between pipe spool and fittings, elbow, WN slip flange, T reducer. With Molten pool monitoring and AI algorithms, real-time scanning and adjustment of welding parameters to ensure welding quality.